Remember this jacket I sewed in the last video? I already took it out into the wild last time I went surfing. So in this episode, I'm giving the jacket a bit of a personal touch and I'm going to draw on it. Also stick around till the end for some styling tips. To draw on it, I'm using textile paint as well as acrylic markers. They work similar like acrylic paints, but they just feel softer on the fabric. Before I start painting, I already sketched up a few ideas, so I'm not completely clueless, although that could be another fun project to paint fully free, but not today. I want to treat the jacket like a canvas or a personal sketchbook. I also don't want it to be completely conceptual or overthink the topics, so I'm literally just going to paint whatever comes out of me. Things don't need to be that serious, just fun. You know, a lot of times when I start drawing, I tend to overthink, like it needs to look perfect, it has to have some meaning, and then I freeze up and the process becomes more stiff, kind of painting under pressure. So what I'm practicing still is to let loose, appreciate the imperfections. These illustrations represent a part of me, my love for rabbits, for example, but also my Asian birth year. The rabbit feels naive, lighthearted, and kind of innocent, which I like. I'm always drawing eyes since I was a little child. Somehow I am just obsessed with it, and it has something meditative to it. I call it the all-seeing eyes. Flowers and roses for a rose on the street. It's a translation from my full Vietnamese name, which is also the name of my design studio. The dancing couple, which means to me dancing through life with your partner, your homie, your friends, cherished connections. This illustration is literally just for fun. I wanted to draw something weird. This is the final back print and the details. Let's get into some outfits now. Thank you so much for watching part 2 of this video. Until next time.